Guys, I'm showing you this Oilfy portable blender. This is a personal blender for shakes and smoothies and as USB rechargeable for the fresh juice blender with 10 blades. It's a 12 ounce handheld mini blender and you can see the packing. This is the USB-C charging, one straw and manual. So the manual is pretty straightforward. You can easily undo that one. So this is a very nice blue color, very really handy and portable, easy to carry. And then you can see these blades. There's like 10 blades here. And then, so need required charging. So I will just show you the USB-C charging and also like how to put this. So this is also a safety turn that you have to close it before using it, and then this is the USB-C charger that comes with it, and you can put this in the USB. So the red light is on, that means like it needs the charging. So I will just give it some time. This is the straw that comes with it. You can use it to drink directly from the cup. So this is now charged. The blue color is there. I am just removing it and putting in some water and some strawberry pieces so that I can show you the demo of the power or the blender. So like I'm just putting some strawberry pieces and yeah, I'm just trying to put this. So double click so that it will start, and you can see that the blending power is really high and it is blending all the strawberries and everything. So no shaking here right now. And yeah, I will just close and show you the things. So yeah, everything is meshed up and you can see, so it's really great for the smoothies and anything you want. You can drink it directly from here, or you can put this straw and drink it. So pretty handy and easy to use. This is Oilfy brand, and yeah, cleaning is also easy. You have to just clean it with the running water, and the blades and everything will be cleaned. Yeah. So cleaning is easy, is really portable hand blender.